dear children at home. Welcome to today's lesson on agricultural science. My name is Oden Anita. Our topic today is birds. Today we will learn about birds, examples of birds, and the uses of birds. Please take a seat and pay attention as we begin the lesson.
Hello, peepers, and welcome to today's lesson.
Before we begin, if you have missed any of my lesson, please visit my YouTube channel to catch up. You can like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and enable notification so you don't miss a lesson. Now, what are birds? Birds are living creatures with feathers, wings, and beak. I take it again. Birds are living creatures with feathers, wings, and beak. All right, let's look at the examples of birds. The examples of birds are number 1, turkey, number 2, hen, number 3, cock, number 4, pigeon, number 5, dove. We also have number 6, duck, number 7, peacock, number 8, ostrich, number 9, eagle, number 10, flamingo, and so on. Now, let's look at the uses of birds. These are the uses of birds. Number 1, their feathers are used for decoration. Number 2, they can be eaten as meat. Number 3, the female birds lay eggs. Number 4, their dungs are used as manure. Number 5, they provide money for the owner. Example, poultry, and so on. All right, children, we have learned about birds, examples of birds, and the uses of birds. Now your homework. Number 1, define birds. Number 2, mention 5 examples of birds. Number 3, state 3 uses of birds. I take it again. Number 1, define birds. Number 2, mention 5 examples of birds. Number 3, state 3 uses of birds. All right, children, we have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed your lesson. See you. Bye.